Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. Kicking up outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits, lots of puppies, PA weather, which is gorgeous today, and some life in there. I'm Laura. If you're new, please stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. I do have furry psychics like to hang out with me. Behind me is Dexter. We have Loki, the white pupper, who is also here, and Willie, the Jack Russell. And it is a gorgeous Sunday morning. Getting up to 81 today. It's 71 right now. A little bit of a breeze, but really, really, really pretty out. And let's see. I have a video I want to get done for you. And yeah. And then I hopefully can get some warm weather time, right? So we'll get out to the pool. So for today's outfit, I have on a Evereve top that I got in a Trendsend last year, paired with Parker shorts. These are by Agolde. I got in a Trendsend probably 2 or 3 years ago. And then how about these cute little easy wear shoes that are by Dolce Vita? I got, I think, 2 years ago. For jewelry, I have Ana Luisa necklaces on and an Ana Luisa bracelet. And that's my outfit. We're going to get this day started, aren't we, guys? Aren't we? I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday, time for outfit of the day. All right, so Saturday I thought was going to be a beautiful day. It wasn't. It was cold. It was not nice. Then yesterday it was absolutely gorgeous, sunny, beautiful. I had an amazing pool day. And now today, I've been inside all day, but it is gorgeous outside. It's getting up to 88 today. It's so nice outside. It would have been another amazing pool day if I wasn't working. So quite gorgeous outside. And so this week I shifted my videos. It'll be Tuesday, Thursday this week, and then regular for the rest of this month, which would be next week, I guess. And then I do have some channel updates for you as I am just evaluating everything that I'm doing. My channel really isn't growing. It's growing at a snail's pace, if I can even call it growth. Over the last couple years, my videos don't get a ton of views. I am happy with every view that I get, but there's not like certain videos, probably maybe my Trendsend gets the most, sometimes Stitch Fix, but they just don't get a ton of views. And I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do as I move forward. I have taken on a lot more responsibility at work. I've taken on responsibility for my dad that I never saw, you know, coming. Plus I just have life responsibilities, and my free time gets cut so very, very short that I'm starting to just, you know, feel it in my body. So as with anything, sometimes you just need to take a step back, figure out what's working, what's not working. I will say that this community that we've built together truly brings me joy. So I don't know that I want to just give up. I just want to figure out how to make it better for all of us, right? That's how I'm thinking about it right now, but I do have to put some time and energy into thinking about how that may look. So beginning in June, I'm going to be dropping one of my weekly videos. So the Monday post will not happen anymore. I'll continue to do outfit of the days on Sunday, and then I'll have a video on Wednesday and Saturday. And I'm feeling like on the weekends, everyone usually has a little bit more time, but I'll have that one in the middle of the week too, just for everyone who's used to seeing them. And I'll try to figure out which videos that you all like the best. I did post in my community page. Please take what's it called? The survey for me. Please take the survey, share with me what your favorites are, because that probably will change the direction of my channel going forward. And for all of you who have already commented and responded, like, a huge thank you. I'm feeling the love, which again is why I truly love the community that we built and why I don't want to give up. I just want to make sure that I'm doing the right things. But a huge shout out and thank you. I'm incredibly humbled and grateful for all of the love that you all have showed me over these many years, and I hope I can figure out how to keep it going. All right, the puppers just got groomed, and I really wanted to share them with you, but my son has them right now, so I guess we'll have to wait till tomorrow, and hopefully they still look quite as cute. But for my outfit today, I have on cut from the cloth denim from a Stitch Fix. I have on a marine layer tank, also from a Stitch Fix. Paired it with a little Evereve jacket that came in my Trendsend, and I'm actually quite enjoying. Perfect for work from home. And then when I want to go outside and it's hot, I can just take it off easily. And I have dinner tonight, so again, perfect. For shoes, Vince Camuto, also Stitch Fix. Love these little wedges. And then for jewelry, I realized I didn't put any bracelets on today, and I have on the necklace my husband got me, and that's it. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. It is afternoon, and I've had one of those work days that just drains the heck out of you. And I feel like I'm wearing it all on my face right now, so I need to do these earlier whenever the day goes to poo, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, it is raining outside. It was really warm this morning, but it's raining. It's 80. It was a high of 85. I think that already happened. Or no, it says it's still going to go up. The sun's supposed to come back out in a couple hours. All right, well, it'll get up to 85 today. And my Ana Luisa, it was just me telling you all that, hey, there's a sale going on. You're going to want to go check them out, and sharing some of my pieces video as well as my Wantable coastal edit. So good, right? It was so, so good. I loved it, and I have not actually checked out yet, but I do plan to keep it all. I just haven't gotten a moment to do that yet. So such a great box, and it did feel very coastal. So go Wantable for that one. And of course, don't forget to check out all the Ana Luisa jewelry. They just do such an amazing job. I do love their pieces, great quality, definitely worth a peek. And for today's outfit, I have on, let's see, this cute little vest from ASTR that I got in my Armoire. Paired it just with a white tank from C Supply. I got in a Trendsend as well as Pistola white denim. I got in a Trendsend. For shoes, I forgot them. I don't even have them with me, but I put gold shoes on, so I'll put them on here when I do the full view, but I have their Dolce Vita. And for jewelry, I have on, this is my mom's necklace I just recently found. So I wore it with the necklace my husband got me. I also have a couple of my mom's bracelets on, as well as my own. So that's my bracelet stack. I gotta get back to work. I will see you all tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday. I'm thrown off a bit because yesterday felt like it should have been Friday. It was that long of a day. And I don't know how today is only Wednesday, but it is. And it is a rainy, gray day. 75, which is the high for today, and it's gonna go down from here now. And it's only noontime. So there's that. And the weekend is not looking like pool weather. It's looking more like the spring weather that we should have had in April that we never got. But anyway, for today's outfit, I have on a pair of Loft denim shorts I shared in one of my hauls, a Loft cardigan that also came from one of my hauls. I have this fun little square neck tank on that I got from Michael's Stars. And I threw on just my Tori Burch Millers in gold because I was up really early this morning to get to a 6:30 breast ultrasound it was. So I was up very early and out the door. So I am high risk for breast cancer, so they offered me the test and I decided to do it. So fingers crossed everything comes out well, and hopefully they'll have some, baseline images to add to my mammograms. And for my jewelry today, I have on the necklace my husband got me. I put on a bracelet stack, and that was it. I've been wearing the same earrings for a bit, which I like. And yeah, back to work I go. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. It's right around lunchtime, 57 degrees. It's rainy, kind of cool. So my Wantable Liverpool edit posted today. So these are back-to-back amazing Wantables. I did keep everything from that last one, which was the coastal. This one was the Liverpool one, and I thought it was amazing. I ended up keeping everything except two things. Except for one thing. The wide leg crop with the side seam with the flowers going down it. They did not have my size to be able to exchange that one. Everything else I kept. So yeah, all but one. Amazing. And the last one I kept it all. So fabulous, fabulous Wantables lately. What do you think, Dexy? Huh? He's so silly. All right, and for today's outfit, I have on cut from the cloth pants. I got them directly from Cut from the Cloth. Paired it with a Z Supply top that I got in a Trendsend. I have on, of course, one of my amazing Ebby bralettes underneath it since it is sheer. I'm kind of enjoying this. And, of course, I love my Ebbies, right? For shoes, how about these fun gold from Dolce Vita? And then my belt is from Front Door Fashion. I have on the necklace I've been wearing for my husband. I have on a bracelet stack. We got to get back to work. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday. Time for outfit of the day. It's a chilly one out there. 60 degrees, getting up to 63. That's it. It's just not going to be that great of a day, or I don't think weekend. So anyway, I do have a Friday funny for you. It's Dexter. So Dexter loves his beds. He loves them. He like knocks on them. I've shared that before. But his favorite thing to do is to rip the guts out of them. He won't stop. So this is him ripping the guts out of what is left of a bed because the bed itself is gone. And this is the piece that's left. As you can see, he takes it, he loves it, takes it very seriously. And then he likes to be the one to destroy it. All right, and you might notice maybe that I have Tico back again with me. Remember my dad's dog. This is Tico, who's just adding chaos to my already precarious dog situation. So Tico is staying with me right now. I don't know for how long, hopefully not for long. But my dad, I noticed yesterday, was acting a little bit, no Loki, was acting a little bit bizarre. I was monitoring him because I think I mentioned I have cameras like in his living room and kind of where the doorways are. And he had disappeared the day before at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I never saw him again come on camera until the next morning, early in the morning, which I didn't realize until that morning. And I was like, okay, that's really bizarre. Like as if he'd been sleeping from 2 in the afternoon until the morning. I called him. He said he was okay. He was just tired and feeling a little weak, but he was okay. So I didn't think a lot about it, but he has a person who comes out and helps him on a couple days a week. She was going to be there in a little bit, so I'd asked her to check on him. Guys, shh. She thought he was doing fine. She did notice some oddities around the house, but we didn't chalk it up to too much. But by the evening, again, he disappeared, and I started getting a bad feeling. I tried calling him, but he wasn't making a whole lot of sense. Sometimes that happens when he's tired, but this seemed off to me. So I called his nurse first, but because I thought maybe it was his blood sugar or he had another stroke. They were like, we really can't help with either of those things, which I don't understand, but that's all right. And so I went out there myself, which thankfully I did, because I wasn't going to go till this morning, but I did go out and found him in a really, really bad state. I called 911. The paramedics were there within 7 minutes. They asked me what I thought was wrong. I said, I think it's either his blood sugar or it's a stroke. I've never seen him like this. They checked his blood sugar. It was 39. It was dangerously low, so I'm glad I didn't wait till today. Once they got him an IV in him and they started to get his blood sugar up, he did start to respond. He was coherent again. But anyway, he's at the hospital right now. So I'm waiting to hear from the doctor. They weren't sure if he had, because I found him on the floor. They weren't sure if he hit his head. I don't think he did. But anyway, hopefully everything is okay and he can go home soon because chaos ensues. Plus, I want him obviously to be at home. I want him to be at home and comfortable and happy. All right. So, for outfit of the day today, anyway, I have on a pair of cut from the cloth denim from a Stitch Fix. I have on a Michael Stars t-shirt I got in a Front Door Fashion. I have on a blazer from Ichi that I think I got, I'm not sure. I think I got in a Wantable. That one I'm not sure about now. I don't remember. And then I have on Dolce Vita sandals that I got in a Trendsend. For jewelry, I just have on the necklace my husband got me, and that's it. I didn't put much on since I'm obviously going to be spending time at the hospital today, so I just dressed comfortably. All right, I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. Let's see, everybody's here but Willie, including Tico, who's still here. My dad's still in the hospital, probably at least for another night. There's so much going on with him that I don't even know how to explain it, but he's just, basically, I don't know, the way I would describe it is, let's just get him stable, as good as he's going to get, and get him back home, hopefully for many more years. But at this point, who knows? He has had several strokes. They said he had AFib, and he won't get anything to monitor that. We know he has some sort of cancer that popped again. He won't do anything about that. He's 85. I get it. I'm trying not to push him in any direction, but we truly don't know like what that means, since he won't get anything, you know, checked on it, do a biopsy, none of that stuff. He has the catheter that he's dealing with. There's just so much that I'm just hoping they can stabilize him. He feels okay, and he can get back home for a bit. So anyway, they said probably tomorrow. They're waiting for the echocardiogram to come back, I think, and hopefully that'll be it. But anyway, my Stitch Fix posted today. It was a good one. I think someone mentioned like a little boring. I agree, but that's because it was basics. Like I felt like she just gave me like the box of basics, those items that you really need to go underneath your jackets, or you're looking for the perfect t-shirt to pair with everything. So I agree, it was a little more on the less exciting side, but I thought it was a good box. So I kept 6 items out of it. I returned the yellow ribbed tank because I didn't like the neck, and I just didn't think that was my best color. And I actually returned the open weave cardigan, which I know was really nice. I loved it. It was super expensive, and I owned something similar, so I thought I didn't need to add another one to my collection. But everything else I thought was great. The heels, everybody loved. I do too. Those are awesome. Yeah, and then the basics from Michael Stars were fantastic, so I kept everything else. If you didn't see that one, check it out today. I thought it was a great basics box. And for my final outfit this week, it is cold this morning. I went out with my friend for breakfast, and it is just so cold out. It is 56. It feels colder. It's windy, which that's what the day is going to be. Rain, wind, and sometimes both. So it's not going to be that nice of a day out. And I don't know what these dogs are doing. And they're chewing on each other's faces, feet. Anyway, so it's just going to be a yucky day. Hopefully it starts to warm up after tomorrow, but of course when we go back to work, it's going to be 80 degrees and sunny. Just so normal. Anyway, so with that in mind, I have on a pair of Paige denim, paired it with this fun Z Supply sweater for the Memorial Day holiday weekend. A gold belt from the Loft that I love. You see it very, very often. My Vince Camuto little sandals. Love these wedges. I got those in a Stitch Fix. And for jewelry, I just have on the necklace my husband got me, and this one's my mom's bracelet. That's it for today. And let the madness continue. Look at them. They're so silly. That's a wrap on outfit of the day. I'm going to close this down. I hope you have an amazing weekend. Don't forget to share your favorites with me down below. And as always, I'll list every outfit if I can link directly to an item I will. Many come from boxes, so you'll see all the box links down below. Any support is greatly appreciated. Thanks so much. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, swipe to hype. I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.